If you're looking for a dash cam that delivers crystal clear video and smart safety features, the MiVue 798 deserves a close look. Equipped with Sony's premium STARVIS CMOS sensor, this device captures stunning 2.5K QHD 1600p footage with a wide 150 degrees viewing angle and an f1.8 aperture. That means every detail on the road is recorded in rich color and sharp contrast, even in low light conditions. Unlike many dash cams with bulky external GPS units, the MiVue 798 integrates its GPS fully inside the device. This keeps your windshield clutter-free while still logging your exact location and speed with every recording. The sleek, compact design blends in smoothly, so it won't distract you or your passengers. Transferring your footage is hassle-free thanks to the built-in Wi-Fi. You can instantly download videos to your smartphone using the MiVue Pro app, making it simple to review or share clips with family, friends, or your insurance company. No cables, no fuss, just quick access whenever you need it. Safety is a clear priority here. The MiVue 798 includes a smart alert system that warns you based on your speed and distance from other vehicles or cameras. It also features advanced driver assistance with lane departure and forward collision warnings, plus a fatigue alert to keep you focused on the road. The built-in 3-axis G sensor automatically saves footage if it detects sudden impacts or movement, protecting your recordings from being overwritten. Watching your videos is just as convenient. Use the MiVue Pro app on your phone or the MiVue Manager on your computer to view recordings in full HD. You can even overlay your GPS route on Google Maps, giving you a clear picture of where and when events occurred. The dashcam comes with a 16GB Class 10 microSD card to get you started right away. Users across the United States praise the MiVue 798 for its ease of use and detailed video quality. Even those who aren't tech-savvy find it simple to set up and operate. Whether you want peace of mind while driving or reliable evidence in case of an incident, this dashcam delivers solid performance without complications. If you want a dashcam that combines premium video, smart safety features, and effortless connectivity, the MiVue 798 is worth considering. It's designed to keep you protected and informed, capturing every moment with clarity and precision. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your driving experience.